And I thought he was going to go. Wow, he totally went.
Yeah, he did. Panda's like, what's going on?
Wait, we're going to come back.
Oh my gosh.
Watch out.
Look out, Boo Boo. She's going to be over the hill.
He's like, I jumped it. All right, ready?
Oh.
Bye. Come on, Grady.
Go, Grady, go. Oh.
Come on, dude. Good boy. Drink it. Oh, good boy, Grady. Oh, look at him. He's like,
Oh my God, he's just sticking his head in. Okay. He's like, yum.
Come on, let's go play with Grady. Hey, do you want to try and ask him?
Oh, sheesh. All right, now come get this one. Give me him.
That's how brave you were, Aggie. You can try it.
Did he get his nose wet? Yeah.
I think Grady likes it.
I do too. He likes the water. Star's like, oh, I'll do it now.
Oh, that was good.
He's like, wait, it's just water.